Hi everybody, and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. So today I've been invited to go walk in the park. But the last thing that I want to do is wear a wig that I wear to work and get it all sweaty. Don't want to do that. So instead, I'm going to try another wig. Okay, let's see how this turns out. Stay with me, come back, don't go anywhere. Find out what wig I will be wearing and how it's gonna look. So before I give you a sneak peek at this particular wig, it is a wig provided by the Vivica Fox line, which I thought was very interesting. So it is called the Cap Do Instant Celebrity Style, and it comes with this hat, guys. We're gonna look at the, or take a look at the specifications or the makeup of this particular wig. It has a cap that you see here, and the hair is actually attached to the cap. Okay, so inside, let me flip the cap inside out. You see how the hair is actually sewn to this particular cap. It's made into like a little bob. And I figured this would be ideal since I'm going to walk in the park. And again, I want to save my other wigs and don't want to get them all sweaty. So what also came with it are these little diamonds that you see here, and you can put it on the front of the cap if you like. Here's a picture. I believe it's the one right here that shows you can put the little diamonds on the cap if you like. So stay tuned. I'm gonna come back wearing the wig for you. So I'm back wearing this beauty for you. Let me go ahead and give you a 360 view of this particular wig. But before I do that, I failed to mention during the specifications that there is an adjustable area in the back of the cap where you can actually make it a custom fit. You can make it tighter or you can loosen it for your preference. So let me go ahead and let you see all sides of this particular wig. So this wig would be ideal for those persons who are extremely active. So if you want to go and work out, you can throw the cap on. I could see in my particular case, like today, I'm getting ready to go out and walk in the park, slip it on and go about my day, or simply running errands. You can slip this wig on and have a fabulous time. So check the description box below with all of the information pertaining to how much it costs and the different colors that this particular wig comes in. You can also pull this particular wig back and make a ponytail in the back as well. It's up to you how you want to dress it up or dress it down. So there you have it. I'll be back next week with another wig review. Until then, take care of yourself and each other, and please subscribe to the channel. Also, if you're still enjoying the content that I'm bringing to you every week, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment as well. For those persons who have left a comment, they can attest that I do respond. So until next week, take care.